In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then choose Lock Screen. Enter your current login method and hit Face Recognition. Then choose Continue. Tap on Register, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you're ready, you can manage all of those options however you want to, and even click on Add Alternative Appearance to enhance recognition. Then add your face data again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!